Imagine a world where every app on your phone was written in Python. It almost happened. Python, the powerful, elegant, and beginner-friendly language, had the mobile throne within reach. It was here before the iPhone, before Android, and then it vanished. Not because Python failed, but because of a series of brutal betrayals, bad timing, and decisions that sealed its fate. This is the shocking story of how Python could have ruled mobile, and why it didn't. But stay till the end, because while Python lost the mobile war, it won something far more powerful. The year is 2005. No iPhones, no Androids, just one undisputed king of mobile, Nokia. And deep inside Nokia's devices, something revolutionary was brewing. Pi S60, a Python interpreter for Symbian phones. It let developers write apps, games, and automation scripts using Python. No clunky Java, no obscure languages, just clean, readable Python on your phone. This was Python's first real shot at mobile dominance, and it had a 2-year head start before Apple or Google even entered the ring. But then, it all came crashing down. In 2007, Apple unleashed the iPhone, sleek, modern, disruptive. It changed the game instantly. A year later, Google struck back with Android, flexible, aggressive, and open source. Together, they rewrote the rules of mobile. Nokia caught flat-footed, Symbian crumbled, market share collapsed, and by 2008, Nokia was begging Microsoft for help. When Nokia fell, PYS-60 didn't just fade away, it was buried. Python's golden ticket to mobile was ripped apart before it could even be cashed in. But wait, this isn't the end. Because in 2009, Python got another chance. Android was still young, Google needed scripting tools, and Python was on the table. They even launched SL4A, scripting layer for Android, letting developers write Android scripts using Python. It looked promising. For a moment it felt like redemption. But then, Google made a decision that changed everything. They picked Java, battle-tested, fast, compiled, perfect for the new mobile arms race. Python, in contrast, was slower, interpreted, dreamy, not built for high-performance mobile. So Google didn't just walk away from Python, they slammed the door shut. And Java became the soul of Android. Meanwhile, on the other side of the battlefield, Apple. If Google was a missed opportunity, Apple was a flat-out rejection. Apple had a vision. Apps needed to be fast, native, tightly controlled. They pushed Objective-C, then Swift. Languages they owned, languages they could optimize. Python, too slow, too open, too unpredictable. So Apple didn't just ignore it, they blocked it. Even today, running full Python apps on iOS is like sneaking into a military base, so now Python was left out by both major ecosystems. But Python never dies, it evolves. Developers refuse to give up. Frameworks like Kivy, Beware, and PIQT stepped up. They promised cross-platform mobile apps written in Python. But reality hit hard. Rough UI, inconsistent performance. And competitors like React Native and Flutter? They were faster, smoother, and better funded. The dream of Python-powered mobile apps wasn't dead, but it was bleeding. And businesses didn't want bleeding apps. They wanted polished, performant, native experiences, and yet, this isn't a tragedy, it's a plot twist. Because while Python lost the mobile race, it won everything else. It became the king of AI, powering machine learning, deep learning, and data science. It became the spine of web development thanks to frameworks like Django and Flask. It became the secret weapon of hackers. Flexible, fast, and deadly. It runs automation, scripting, cloud tools, and even space projects. Today, Python is the silent empire behind the scenes. Not flashy, but everywhere. Behind every neural network, every web backend, every clever automation script, Python is there. So yes, Python could have ruled the mobile world. And maybe in another timeline it did. But in this one, it became something bigger. It became the invisible force behind the future. So the next time someone says Python lost mobile, tell them it won the world. If you're a Python lover, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop A in the comments. We've got more untold tech stories coming up, and trust me, you won't want to miss them.